Hello guys, today we're trying the lawnmower that's made out of gears. I will show you up. It has a motor, it has gears, like the gear reaction, and this is a fan from the yellow straw. I will show you from this preview. Just watch and see what is work. Some people make some lawnmowers made out of Lego. So you make your one, then you can make your wish come true. So let's get started with lawning. It doesn't cut grass, it cuts only flowers. So I will support that. That it cuts flowers. But see more about this. If you're enjoying watching, just consider subscribing or like. Cheers! If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing or like. Cheers! If you like this lawnmower, you can make your own one. If you like. Alright? Bye bye guys and see you!